Hi guys, so today I want to talk about conditional formatting on highlighting cell rows and color scales. So let's talk about using the duplicate function.
So with the duplicate option, it helps you to identify your data set if you have duplicates in it. So let's say, for example, we have this information of students and we have 18 students here, but we are not sure whether we have any other students that are duplicates in this data set. So conditional formatting can help us eliminate or identify some duplicate from this set of data. If we come to conditional formatting and under highlight cell rows, we have duplicate values down here. If you click the duplicate value, it will actually highlight all the items that have duplicates. So from here, you can see that we have some duplicates here. We have this one repeating here, we have this one repeating here. So with the duplicate values, if you identify the duplicate values, you can easily remove the duplicate values by just highlight the table or information that you have and go on the ribbon under data. You go to remove duplicates. So if you click remove duplicates, it will ask you the columns to include when removing duplicates. Then here select all or unselect. So we have selected everything and we are highlighting removing duplicates. Wherever we have duplicates, we remove that row. If we say OK, it is saying no duplicates. No duplicate was found, and this is because we have the different numbering here. So let me just highlight this column only. Because of this different numbering, it actually identifies these other duplicates as actually unique rows. So if I highlight only the names and I come to remove duplicates, then I say continue with the current selection, say OK. So it's only under the names. Let me remove the duplicate values and say OK. You would see that Excel will remove all the duplicates, and here I'm left with only unique values. After you are done with applying the conditional formatting, and if you want to remove the conditional formatting, you can just come here and say clear rows, and this clear rows, it will give you options whether you want to clear row from the selected cell or else from the entire sheet, and you can remove the rows from the entire sheet or any selected cell.
Let's now move to icon size and color scales.
Here on conditional formatting, you can also use the icon sets so that you use certain icons to represent or have visuals that you need on your set of data that you have. So with these marks, let me just come here on the icon sets. So if you come down on the icon sets, it has a number of icons that it actually gives you. So you can choose from different sets that you want to apply. For example, here is directional, giving arrows. So you would see that from the set of data, it's now showing you that some green arrows to those people that have good marks. Then it shows you some red arrows with those ones that are struggling and so forth. Then, for example, you want to apply these arrows, whatever. Then you might also maybe want to come to the shapes. Then, for example, with this shape, these circles on each cell, it just gives you a little bit of a circle showing those marks that are beige with a red circle beside it, and those that are gold with a green circle beside it. Maybe you want to use this one, or you want to use just different shapes that you might use here, and it all depends with the visual that you want to see on your set of information. Or else here there's some indicators also, so you might come and apply the indicators on your set of data to have this visual. Or else this one, there's another option. And also we have some ratings. So if you come on the ratings, you can apply these ratings to these marks, and this is how it looks. We have this other one, we have this one. You can play around and see. We have even more rules here, so you can play around and see the best look that you want your marks to be, and apply that very same formatting. Okay, so there is a lot of things that you can do on Excel. You can play around and see what suits on information that we have. I know all the information is different, but based on the information that you have, you know how best you can present your information.